Welcome guys to a basic Python tutorial series kung saan tuturuan ko kayo step by step kung paano nyo gagamitin ng Python bilang isang programming language. So, by the way, ako si Ganyus. Welcome to my channel. So, sa channel na to, mag-upload ako ng programming tutorials for beginners. So, today, pag-aaralan natin is Python. So, first, introduction of Python. Then Python IDE for PC and mobile, and then we'll be running our first Python program. So, una, ano nga ba ang Python? So Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Python uses no lines to complete a command as opposed to other programming language which often use semicolons or parentheses. So, ang Python daw is an object-oriented high-level programming language, which means from basics to professional usage, magagamit na si Python. So, designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language, meaning mas madali siyang intindihin compared to the other language, programming language. So, pag nag-start na tayo mag-program, kasi papansin nyo yung similarities niya. So, then, Python can be used for web and internet development, database access, desktop GUIs, scientific and numeric uses for programming and education, network programming, software and game development. So, napakaraming uses ng Python. So, siya sa pinaka-flexible programming language. Kaya kung may pag-aaralan kayong programming language na easy to use, maraming paggagamitan, so, I recommend Python. So, next naman, where to get IDE to use for Python. So, IDE is Integrated Development Environment kung saan mas madali kayong makakapag-program o makakapag-code. So, una sa desktop, IDE Python. So, free to use. So, directly nyo madadownload to sa Python website. So, now, open natin yung browser natin. Then, we're gonna search Python. Then first, python.org. So, ito na yung website. Lalagay ko na lang yung link sa description. Go to downloads. Dito. And then, download for Windows. Python 3.9.3. So, dahil na-download nyo na siya, hindi mo siya download. Go to desktop. Then, open natin yung installer. So, dahil installed na siya sa desktop ko, pakita ko na lang ang custom installations. Ayan. Check nyo na lang din. So, after you install, you can search IDLE, then open file location, send natin siya sa desktop for shortcut, then na siya. So, you can open it now. That's it. Pwede ka na mag-run ng Python. So, next is ang IDE na recommended kong gamitin nyo is PyCharm Community Edition. So, it is free to use. I will put the link again sa description, pero magtuturo ko kayo paano i-download. So, again, punta tayo sa desktop para hindi kayo mahirapan. Search nyo lang PyCharm. Then, unang lalabas nyan is from their website, JetBrains, the IDE. Go here, may download button. Go for the Community Edition. So, merong professional, kung gusto nyong bayaran, go lang, pero meron din siyang free trial. Pero dito tayo sa open source community edition. And then, automatically mag-start na siya. Then, download it. So, dahil meron na ako, so, then, ito na siya, install na natin. Next. Check nyo itong 64-bit launcher. .py. Add launchers and open folder. You don't need it, but you can do it as well. Then next, after that mag-install na siya, then you're gonna need to restart your computer. And next, for mobile devices naman, meron tayong PyDroid 3 for Android and Python 3 for iOS. So, free to use naman siya. Search na nyo lang sa Google Play Store or App Store, then you can download it. Then punta na tayo sa first Python program na iraran natin. So now na na-open na natin si PyCharm. So, kung gusto natin i-print, so for example, print, then open parenthesis, maglalagay na rin siya ng close parenthesis kasunod, and then dahil string type, double quotation, dalawa na rin siya, and then type hello mundo. Yan. That's it. Punta lang tayo sa run dito sa top right or shift F10. Hello mundo. That's it. So nakapag-run na tayo ng first programming language. So nakapag-run na tayo ng first program natin using Python. Kung hindi nyo pa na-download yung PyCharm and yung IDE lang ng Python yung gamit nyo, ganun lang din. As well as sa mobile phones nyo and even online interpreters, type nyo lang sprint, open parenthesis, the quotation marks, lalabas na yan, and then the text, then enter. So yan. So kung napansin nyo sa Python IDE kasi is single line lang po yung prints nya. So for example, pag magpiprint ulit tayo ng isa pa, kamusta world. Isa lang po. So kung gusto nyo ng multi-line, go to new file. Ayan po. So hello mundo, hello mundo, hello buwan, bawa. And then run module. Save muna natin siya. Desktop na lang. So title natin is practice. Save. There. Lalabas na po siya sa IDE. Hello mundo, hello buwan. So that's it po sa first Python program na maparaan nyo. Thanks for watching. Kung nagustuhan nyo, pwede nyo i-like, i-share, saka i-subscribe. Kung may mga questions kayo, pwede nyo i-comment sa comment section. Then wait na lang kayo sa next part ng tutorial. Thank you.